Transformers, more than meets the eye. Autobots wage their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons. The Transformers, robots in disguise. The Transformers, more than meets the eye. The Transformers.
In search of precious energy, the Autobots venture forth into outer space, but the evil Decepticons attack them. 4 million years later, the Autobots and Decepticons are reactivated. The Decepticons convert oil into energon cubes, and leave workers and their Autobot rescuers trapped as we begin the second episode of The Transformers.
My arm! It's jammed in here! I can't get it out! I'll get you loose, Huffer! Don't panic! There's two things I really hate, Braun. What are they? Fire and water. Great! You're in the right place. There. Thanks, Braun. Let's take off.
Trailbreaker!
Here, Prime.
Activate your force shield and take a shot at that fire!
I'll give him a hit.
Almost have it! There!
Catch! I don't know who you are, but you saved our lives.
We're Autobots. We're from Cybertron, a planet far from Earth.
Another planet? That's awesome!
Those who tried to harm you are called Decepticons. We must stop them before they destroy your world.
Can we help?
We are the only ones who can stop the Decepticons.
But my son Spike and I know more about Earth than you do.
Maybe you can help us.
The Autobots are a highly advanced form of robot. I don't really know if they're from the past or the future, but they can think and have real feelings. I can't believe this is happening to me. Wonder who left this here. Hey, tell me more about Cybertron.
What would you like to know?
For one thing, why do you transform into cars and things?
Simple. Disguise. Besides, it sure beats walking.
Yeah, but how do you do it?
Spike here wants to know how we transform, Hound.
Easy, like this.
Incredible.
Now watch this.
Who's he?
Nobody. He doesn't really exist, Spike. It's a hologram.
What other tricks can you do?
Try this one, Spike. Now you see me. Now you don't.
Hey, where'd Mirage go?
Over here!
Disappearing. It's the best disguise of all.
Hop in, Spike. I'm gonna take you for the ride of your life. Belt up and hang on.
Ravage. Enter Teltran 1. Acquire knowledge of Earth's resources.
Sure is pretty out here, Spike. Earth must be a nice place to live.
It's okay, but tell me about Cybertron.
Before the war with the Decepticons, it was quiet and peaceful.
You miss it?
Sometimes. Hold tight.
Hey, what's going on here? Who are you?
Ravage. Eject. Eject.
A Decepticon! Get him!
Ravage!
There he is!
Get him!
Fire! It's too dark! Can't see him!
Gears! Activate your infrared!
There he is!
Fire the net! We got him!
Sherman Dam is the largest in the Western Hemisphere. The hydroelectric power plant has a capacity of 1,750,000 kilowatts.
Good work, Soundwave.
But that's not enough electrical power to make the energon cubes.
Your knowledge is only overshadowed by your stupidity, Starscream. We are going to create a tidal wave. One that will send enough power surging through that dam to make all the energon cubes we need. We attack the dam at sunrise. Soundwave, dispatch Rumble. Rumble, activate pile drivers. Operation Tidal Wave. It's working. Excellent. Decepticons, to the power plant!
Hey, Ed, look at this gauge! It's going crazy! Something must be wrong! The river's rising! Man your emergency stations!
There's some sort of trouble at Sherman Dam. Yeah, a tidal wave. The power output's 10 times normal.
Could be the Decepticons, all right. I'll tell Prime.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. You will do exactly as I say.
Autobots, accelerate!
Starscream, prepare the null ray.
We gotta get out of here. She's gonna blow.